Every product goes through multiple design iterations, changes, and validations. But the real challenge is ensuring the correct, approved, and released versions reach manufacturing suppliers and downstream teams. Without a controlled release process, wrong files reach production, costly rework and delays occur, traceability is lost. Teams work on outdated data, and this is where release engineer becomes essential to maintain governance, accuracy, compliance, and control across the entire product cycle.
So what is product release engineer? It is the individual or the dedicated role focused on maturing and structuring the engineering definition. They own the digital thread, controlling three critical areas. First, they manage the item's lifecycle maturity, ensuring it moves from in-work to released only when all checks are complete. Second, they handle configuration control, defining the exact composition of the product and applying corporate part numbering standards to ensure every component is uniquely identified. Third, they manage the product structure, making sure the engineering bill of materials or EBOM is clean, accurate, and ready to drive the downstream manufacturing BOM. They are the guardians of the golden definition, ensuring that the released product structure is the single source of truth for the entire enterprise. Here's how engineering release keeps everything flowing inside the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. It starts by selecting the model and opening it in the engineering release app. Once the model loads, all components, sub-assemblies, purchase parts, and library items automatically appear as a structured bill of materials. From here, engineering release can tailor the BOM, adding new components, updating entries, or enriching metadata. For example, I'm adding a spare battery as an additional component and entering all its required property details. Next comes lifecycle management. Let's select the components whose maturity state needs to be updated. With a single click, engineering release can move its items from in-work to frozen, send them for approval, release the final data, and lock revisions to prevent any further changes. Engineering release can also pop the EIN, the engineering item numbers, directly from the model. This ensures that the correct engineering item is created, linked, and structured accurately within the BOM. This keeps the entire engineering definition consistent from the CAD model to the engineering BOM and across all downstream manufacturing teams. Once the structure is finalized, engineering release can filter and organize the BOM based on the required columns. In this example, I am preparing a purchase BOM specifically for procurement and sourcing activities. The finalized BOM can also be exported directly to Excel, making it easy to share, review, or process further in downstream systems. And finally, the BOM is published, ensuring manufacturing receives the correct models, updated revisions, and complete documentation. All stakeholders get the information they need while compliance and traceability remain fully intact.
And that's product release engineer in 3DEXPERIENCE, a powerful blend of governance, control, and collaboration that keeps your product data flowing smoothly from design to production. Do more with confidence, deliver with precision, and release products the right way every single time.
Interact and visualize. A task-centric interface with rich data visualization for seamless user interaction. Reuse and define. Efficiently leverage existing data to define new products faster. Project-specific BOMs. Create tailored bill of materials for each project without complexity. Item management. Assign item numbers and add non-CAD items directly online for accuracy. Finalize and release. Enhanced collaboration and real-time visibility of product release status. Boost productivity. Access up-to-date engineering data, reuse definitions, and reduce errors to save time and cost.
Empower your teams, streamline processes, and release products the right way every single time.